Dafir.
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In today's meeting, we from Group A will discuss the material on the budget implementation process at the central government level. We would like to thank Mr. Rizky Syakril, SHIMSI, as the lecturer in charge of state finance course. Before going into the material, allow us to introduce ourselves first. My name is Safira Dina Armadan. I study 2307279, and my college.
I am Rifa Mahasti with NIM 23042077.
And I'm Rahadatul Aisi and the 2304 21 and 4.
And I, Raihan Saputra, 23042200.
Okay. Introduction. The state budget APBN is a very important fiscal policy instrument in managing state finance. The APBN not only functions as the government's annual financial plan, but also as a tool to achieve national development goals and improve public welfare. In the process of implementing the APBN budget, the government must consider various factors such as macroeconomic conditions, national development, policies, and community needs. Good implementation of the APBN budget can enhance economic growth, reduce poverty, and improve the quality of life of the community. However, the implementation of the APBN budget can also face various challenges and obstacles, such as a limited resource, inefficiency, and lack of transparency. Moreover, it is necessary to carry out good planning and implementation of the APBN budget to achieve the goals and targets of the APBN budget implementation. The government must ensure that the implementation of the APBN budget is carried out transparency, accountability, and efficiency so that it can enhance public trust in the government. The first material that will be explained by Raihan. Raihan Sabtra is welcome.
Thank you, moderator. The first one, definition APBN. The state budget is the annual financial plan of the Indonesian government prepared to achieve national development goals. The APBN contains the state revenue and expenditure plan for one budget year. The implementation of the APBN budget is very important because it can affect economic stability, economic growth, and public welfare. The APBN also function as a tool to regulate state finances, direct national development, and improve the quality of life of the community. Next. 2. Importance of budget implementation. The implementation of budget implementation, effective and efficient implementation of the APBN budget can increase economic growth, reduce poverty, and improve public welfare. The APBN can also function as a tool to increase transparency and accountability in the management of state finance. Therefore, the implementation of the APBN budget must be carried out effectively and efficiently to achieve national development goals. According to Mardiasmo 2018, the APBN has an important role in managing state finance and achieving national development goals. The APBN can function as a tool to direct national development, improve the quality of life of the community, and increase transparency and accountability in the management of state finance. Next, objective and target of budget implementation. According to Siregar 2020, the objective and target for implementing the APBN budget must be in line with national development priorities and community needs. Effective and efficient implementation of the APBN budget can improve the quality of life of the community and achieve national development goals. Therefore, good budget planning and implementation are needed to achieve the objective and target for implementing the APBN budget. Next, objective and target of budget implementation. The objective of implementing the APBN budget is to achieve the national development goals that have been set. The target for implementing the APBN budget include increasing economic growth and economic stability, reducing poverty and improving public welfare, improving the quality of public service and infrastructure, and increasing transparency and accountability in managing state finance. Effective and efficient implementation of APBN budget can improve the quality of life of the community and achieve national development goals. The target for implementing the APBN budget can be measured through several indicators, such as economic growth, inflation, unemployment rate, and human development index. Effective and efficient implementation of the APBN budget can increase the value of this indicator and achieve national development goals. Next. For preparation of the draft state budget. Preparation of the draft state budget (RAPBN) is an important step in the process of managing state finance. The RAPBN is prepared based on national development priorities and community needs. The preparation of the RAPBN involves several stages, including identifying national development needs and priorities, planning state revenues and expenditures, allocating the budget for development program, and monitoring and evaluating budget implementation. According to the Ministry of Finance 20 and 22, the preparation of the RAPBN must be carried out in a transparent and participatory manner, involving various stakeholders, including local government, civil society, and the private sector. The preparation of a good RAPBN can increase the effectiveness and efficiency of the implementation of the APBN budget. Therefore, it is necessary to carry out good planning and preparation of the RAPBN to achieve the goals and target of the implementation of the APBN budget. That's all I can say. I return to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Rehan, for explaining the material. The next material will be explained by Rahadatul Aishi. Rahadatul Aishi is welcome.
Thanks for your moderator. I will explain for about stats budget implementation process. The first planning. The planning stats, it's the initial steps in the stats budget implementation process. At these steps, the government prepares the stats budget plan based on national developments, priorities, and community needs. And two, budgeting. The budgeting stage is the second stage in the state budget implementation process. At this stage, the government allocates the budget for planning development program. Next, three, implementation. The implementation stage it's there the staying in the state budget implementation process. At this stage, the government implements the budgeting development program. And the four, supervisor. The supervision state is the four steps in the state budget implementation process. At this step, the government supervises the implementation of development program to ensure that program are implementation according to plan. And then evaluation. The evaluation stage is the final stage in the state budget implementation process. At this stage, the government evaluates the implementation of development program to determine whether this program have achievement, the goal and target that have been set. Next, I will explain challenge in the implementation of the central government budget. The first, limit financial recourse sufficient to finance development program. Next, inefficiency and ineffectiveness and budget management that can lead to waste and misuse of funds. And then lacks transparency and accountability in budget management that can lead to corruption and irregular. And then change in economic and political condition that affect budget stability. The next, I will explain strategies and innovation to improve the efficiency of implementation of state budget. The one, increasing transparency and accountability in budget management through the use information technology and account reporting. Two, increasing human request capability through training and competency development. And three, increasing the efficiency and effectiveness of budget management through the use performance-based budget method. And then increasing coordination between government agency through the formation of cooperation teams and effective communication. And then for me, I will return for moderator.
Okay, thank you, Aiki, for explaining the material. The next material will be explained by Rifa Mayasti. Rifa Mayasti is Papa.
Okay, thank you, moderator. I will present the next material which is about the case. The first case is uneven budget absorption. The absorption of the state budget is often uneven and accumulates at the end of the fiscal year. Based on data from the Ministry of Finance, the relation of state expenditure until the end of September 2022 reached on 2,913.9 trillion or 16 on 1.6% of the 2020 state budget target. However, budget absorption still tend to accumulate at the end of the year, so strategies are needed to improve the quality of spending and output assessment. This shows that better budget planning and execution are needed to achieve the goals and objectives of the APBN budget implementation. Next, adjustment of budget disbursement procedure during pandemic. KPBN Palopo has adjusted budget disbursement procedure during the COVID-19 pandemic by using the SPM application for receiving payment orders from the work unit. In education, the process of issue and certificate of determination of payment per patient is also carried on online through official email. This measure aims to minimize direct interaction and improve the efficiency of the budget disbursement process. Next, factor causing the bulk of this disbursement of APBN funds. Research conducted by Fandi Zainuddin Shah show that the bulk of APBN disbursement at the end of the fiscal year is caused by 8 factors, namely treasury administration, procurement implementation, budget planning, supporting technical requirements, procurement schedule, human resource, competence, and official mutation. These factors need to be considered to improve the quality of APBN budget implementation. The next, allocation of 20% of the state budget for education. The Indonesian government has set an allocation of 20% of the state budget for education. However, debates over this allocation still occur due to different interpretation of the definition of 20% allocation. This has led to a slow and dynamic policy formulation process, and then optimizing budget disbursement during the pandemic period. KPPN Palopo made various efforts to optimize budget disbursement during the COVID-19 pandemic. Strategic steps were taken to ensure effective and efficient budget execution despite challenges related to the spread of the virus. This shows that flexibility and adjustment need to be made in budget execution to deal with emergency situation. That's all the material I can convey. I return into the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Riva. The last is a conclusion. I will explain. The state budget APBN is the management of state finance that aims to achieve national development goals, maintain economic stability, ensure economic growth, and improve public works. The APBN budget implementation process consists of several stages, namely planning, budgeting, implementation, supervision, and evaluation. The preparation of the draft APBN plays an important role in ensuring the right budget allocation according to development priorities. However, in practice, the implementation of the APBN budget still face various challenges, such as low budget absorption at the beginning of the year, which caused a backlog at the end of the year. The need to adjust budget disbursement procedure during the pandemic, and administrative and technical issue that slow down the disbursement of funds. Recent cases show that flexibility, procedural innovation, and increasing human resource capacity are essential to optimize budget implementation. That's all the material presentation from Group X. We apologize if there are any shortcomings and wrong words. I will close today's presentation and I say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.